Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Let's make some chicken curry today, but approaching it in a different way that is so simple and so easy. I have taken a combination of both chicken with bones as well as boneless skinless chicken thighs. We will do a simple marination with turmeric powder, red chilli powder, freshly cracked black pepper and lemon juice. Just allow it to marinate before you move on to step 2. These are all that will go into the pan: red ripe tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, and 2 dry Kashmiri red chilies. If you do not have Kashmiri red chilies, then you can use Kashmiri red chili powder instead. Pot out on medium heat. 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil turns hot, add green cardamoms, cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Fry them in medium-low heat for less than a minute, and then add all the vegetables: the onions, the ginger, garlic, the tomatoes, and also the chilies. If you are not using the chilies, then add Kashmiri red chili powder, about 2 heaped teaspoons of it. Add salt, give a stir on high heat, and then add about a cup of water. I even added few black peppercorns. Cover it on medium-low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, lid off and heat off. Now all of this need to be pureed. Here is the word of caution. My blender can handle very hot stuff, but if you are not sure whether your blender can, then allow this to come to room temperature and then blend it. If pureeing it hot, then remove the central cap on the lid for the steam to escape. Place a folded kitchen cloth on top and then start blending. You want a very smooth paste. Okay, pot on medium-high heat, 4 tablespoons of oil goes in. Once the oil turns hot, add a dried bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. Then the chicken goes in. Now stir the chicken on high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want that initial moisture that comes out from the chicken to evaporate. Then cover on high heat and from time to time give a stir. After a few minutes, you will see about 50% of that water gone, and that is the time when you need to add the pureed mixture. Add salt and then cover it on medium-high heat, but cover it only partially so that the gravy thickens up. When you see the gravy starting to thicken up a bit, add chopped stems of coriander, which is totally optional. And then the star of the show, coconut milk. Add 1/4 of a cup now, mix, and again cover it partially on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, uncover, and now garam masala powder goes in to perfume the dish. Cover again partially and come back after 10 more minutes. 10 minutes done. Now is the time when you should do a taste test. I felt it needs some sweetness, so sugar joins the party, along with some whole green chilies, and I felt I can handle more heat, so I added a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and more of coconut milk to add up to that creaminess. Then a generous shower of my beloved coriander leaves, and to complete that circle of flavor madness, just a little amount of kasuri methi. Guys, whenever it comes to kasuri methi, add a little amount. A little goes a long way, but if you are tempted to add more, your curry will taste bitter. Once again, cover on low heat for 10 more minutes. 10 minutes done. I like sprinkling a little bit of lemon juice, and once again a shower of my love to sign off the dish. The fruitiness from those tomatoes along with those spices blends in so well with the coconut milk. Serve this with rice or roti or naan along with a salad, and you will be really proud of yourself. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.